Hey guys, it's Candice. So my nail polish situation has been a bit crazy over the last while. So I moved from an apartment into just one room, so everything is kind of condensed and there's like so many stuff. So I've really been struggling with the way I had it set up before, and I'll insert a clip of me showing you how it is right now over there. So this is the horrific mess. That's my current nail setup. So the nail polishes are here. The accessories are here. This is more nail polishes. It's like usually somewhere over there. And it's just a big mess. The rest of the nail polishes are here. That's usually not falling, but that's my balloons. And this is my rings from the week. And my nail polishes from probably the month. And just random crap in the back there. There's my nail lamp, and then some more nail polishes and more stuff. So yeah, it's just not convenient or aesthetically pleasing. I mean, it's kind of aesthetically pleasing when I clean these up like once a week. I clean these up and it's just like all the nice things, like the colors just in front. And my little hex bug. Oh, look at him, he's so cute. All the nice things are in front, like the dice and the cars and the little hex bug. But other than that, this is the most inconvenient thing. Like if I want, so this is my cremes, and I don't really like cremes that much. This is my shimmers, so it's a bigger amount, so they have to go at the bottom. But mostly I'm likely to reach for the shimmers, and then I have to take that off, take that off, take that off, and then finally get there. So that's why I end up putting them here instead of putting them back. So there's like a shimmer there, and these are bases. There's a shimmer there, and it's dirty. It's a shimmer, there's a shimmer, there's a base, there's a base, there's a creme, there's a creme. I don't really know what I'm doing with this. Oh, there's more. These are my toenail nail polishes, but I'll probably not move those because I'm okay with where they are. These are a mess as well. I have two of these because my nail polishes were previously in them, because I thought it would be aesthetically pleasing and I like how it looks. This random changes I want to get rid of. I like how it looks in theory and in general, but it's incredibly difficult to get stuff. Like, especially these are glitters, so usually I would have a coat of nail polish already, and then I'm you know, and then I'm reaching for the glitters to do a glitter, and then I have to reach through this, so I end up smudging everything, and it's just a crazy experience. It's not good. So we're gonna dish that. We're gonna reorganize all this. I'm gonna put this on a timer, and hopefully it'll make a nice loop. I hope I can keep the balloons there because it makes my life, but let's give this a go. So I bought these big see-through boxes. These have 2 drawers, and then I have 3 of these, and I'm hoping that nail polishes will fit here, and if they don't, I'm gonna return these and cry, because I've been trying to find something like this on Amazon or just anywhere online, and I couldn't. I just found them in this one shop. Found them in Primark, and they were like €12, which is not very cheap for me because I'm so cheap. I want everything to be like €1. So it's that one, and so 3 of that one, and 1 of this, because the other one was actually sold out. I wanted them all to have the 2 drawers, but this one has the 3 drawers. But I actually thought this might be okay for nail stickers and all kinds of accessories and that kind of crap, so let's see. I'm excited to try them out, so I'm gonna film a time-lapse of me doing it. Yeah. Smart light bulb box. Why? That's not the place for it. So this is all my holographic glitters. Focus on them. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to find. I might keep these as it is and then put it on top of the drawers. I'll figure it out. These are base coats, top coats, and this used to be base coats, top coats, and oils and treatments, but it got really full, so it's just base coats and top coats. And usually they're all like standing upright. This is just a mess. No, the glue fell over. It might be stuck together now. Usually keep the glues very upright. So I had this like cute thing going on where they were all in these see-through things, but it's got out of hand. So this is stickers and rhinestones and brushes. I'm not sure if it actually zips up because there's a lot of stuff in there. It's more stickers that fell out of that thing. Oh, this is glitters and My Little Pony bag. It's so amazing. Oh, this I bought to take pictures of my hands all glittered, but I mean, it was so far down that I would never pick this up. This is something I actually use. Black makeup remover. Look, it's black. Oh my god. It's black. It's black. Did I mention it's black? This is actually nice if I had space to put it. Well, I used to have space to put it, and it's really cute. This is so adorable. It has little ice creams. It's so cute. Okay, it's getting pretty empty. There's a Kinder Egg toy up in there. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. My god. What should I do with it? Giveaway. This is a present from my good friend that knows me well. How good is this? This is the most noisy thing in the world. This is my Hexbug friend. Look at him. He's so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. Random dusty dice. Oh, these are my magic dice. But I don't have anyone to play Magic with. If you play Magic, hit me up. These are carrots from the 70s and 60s and 50s, and I don't remember what year they're from, but they're vintage, and then I immediately unpacked them and made them valueless. So I like them. They're just die-cast little things, and they're like so amazing. These are Yu-Gi-Oh cards that I was gonna stick them on the wall so they can be like reflective, but I just got a bit lazy. the rest of my nail stuff is in these Yu-Gi-Oh boxes. This is like buffing blocks. And in fact, this is the one that has nail files and clippers and stuff that you actually need, and it's at the back below everything else, so I end up using my emergency nail file like 90% of the time, and that's not okay. So that's the stuff I'll probably put in those 3 drawer thing. And then this is my toenail polish. It's kind of okay to have those there. And by toenail polishes, I mean like they're old, so I only use them for my toes. This is a craft glitter that I use for my nails. This is where I usually put the rings, which were in the front, because I couldn't put them in here. But usually I put my week's worth of rings up in here. So these are my hair stuff, and I'm kind of happy with them, how they are. So I'll probably just put them beside or on top of the other boxes. Nail oils that I got on Amazon. This one is kind of dodgy looking, so I don't really know, but I guess it's okay for nails. And this one is not pure vitamin E. It has like other crap added, so I was disappointed with both of them. But that's what you get from Amazon. These are actually jewelry making supplies, if I remember correctly. I don't quite remember what these are. But in fact, I'll probably keep them where they are, so they weren't bothering me at all. Yeah, just gonna keep them there because it's too much otherwise. Okay, let's start with the first 3 drawer box. I'm thinking to put base coats and top coats up in this one. Oh, come on, the sticker is on it instead of being on the paper. How annoying! It's beautiful! So I see straight away that half of them don't fit. Most of them don't fit. Half of them don't fit. Let's see. It's all done. Look at how beautiful it is. Okay, so I was just editing this video and I realized I didn't show how I've organized it, so I'll just show that quickly. So here's like nail files and nail clippers. Well, I only have one clipper. There's a nail spa thing, more nail files, cute one. This stuff, I used to use it to glue together my nails, but these days I just use gel. The sticks, just kind of manicure-y stuff. Here is like the nail art stuff, and there's kind of rhinestones there that are, they're confused, but nail polish remover. There's dotting tools, this sponge, rhinestone katana thing. Brushes, dotting tools, everything. It's gotten a bit of a mess since the one I've done. So this is glitters. Oh yeah, so this is the one that had the 3 drawers, and it has, yeah, so the tall ones, I just laid them down. So this has bases and top coats and oils and stuff. And then these two have glitters, and this has holographic, and so the tall ones are in the back there. So these are holographic and pink, and these are like grey and few jellies. I don't have that many. Grey, gold, and whatever colors. This has creams that I don't really use. They're like reds and greens and blues. I don't really use those colors. I don't really know why I own them. They're mostly for nail art, so they're not like to paint your entire nail. And then these are the paint your entire nail colors. They're like mauves and stuff, greys. They're kind of all settled now because they're standing still. Whereas before, they used to get mixed around. So I don't really know if that's good. And the tall ones are in the back. Oh, that one looks really bad. Okay. And then these are the shimmers. I have the most of these, so these are all standing up here. And then here, they're also all standing up. And then here, I have the surplus shimmers. So inside there, they're all the tall shimmers, but I couldn't lie them down because those two are full. So this is the extra shimmers. And then here is what's this? Nail stickers and glitters. And oh no, nail stickers and rhinestones. And then this is glitters. I didn't realize that's so many, so I literally had to leave them out here. And then there's my balloons. They're so amazing. And I have my shiny wand. And then here is a bit of a mess. This box is new from something that I just bought recently. It wasn't there before. And then in the back, look at him. And some of the stuff that was already there, I just put it back, like the pictures and sunglasses. Oh, this guy is new. Hello there. Yeah, and I took away the cards from here, and I've left the Hexbug and then some little friends. And I've added this with all my spiky things, and this one that doesn't fit. Yeah. And behind is all disinfecty stuff. Oh, and this guy is kind of behind. But it's fine. I can kind of see him from this angle, so I like it. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to get organized too. It's like way better this way. So satisfying to live. Okay, bye.